In our previous video, we have learned how to use our own custom package and external packages, right, like this. In this video, we'll learn how to make our module public and use it in our Go program. But before that, what is the meaning of this line? So, myapp is our module name, which is local, and greet is one of the package in this module, and we are importing this greet package. To recap, this greet function can be present in any file under this greet package. Go tools find it, and we don't need to write any specific file name. In the same way, what is the meaning of this line? We are importing the color package from this module. So color is the package name and github.com/gokit is a module name. So to make our module public, we also need to rename our module to github.com instead of myapp. As I'll be pushing my code to the GitHub, if you push your code to Bitbucket or GitLab, you can rename accordingly. So the question comes, what name I have to give to my module? I have created an empty public repository in GitHub. I have to name my module as this address. So when I push the code here, GoTools could be able to find the greet package from this address and we can expect the desired result. So let's come back to the VS Code. I'll open this go.mod file. I'll rename the module name myapp to that github.com/corla2/go. Now we are ready to make our module public. I think there is no use of this main.go file. I have deleted the main.go and go.sum files and I pushed that greet package to my repo. A video was stopped unexpectedly while pushing the code. Anyways, I'll show you what I pushed to my repo. Look, there is a greet package and go.mod file. I'll open this go.mod file. Look, the name of this module is the address of the repo. So if you want to make your module public, then this module name must match the repo address like this. This makes sure that GoTools can find and download your module when you use this in your project. I'll come back. There is a greet package here. For those who haven't watched my previous video, I'll show you what is there inside this greet package. In this greet package, there are two files, hello.go and world.go. First, I'll open this hello.go. This file belongs to greet package and that's obvious, and there is a simple function called greet, and this function returns a simple string, welcome to Cloud Newbie. Nothing more than that. There is one more file, world.go. I'll show you that as well. This file also belongs to greet package and there is a simple function called world and that returns hello world string. That's it. Simple, right? Now I'll try to use this simple greet package in my Go program. Now I'll take you back to my VS Code. I'll create a main.go file. I'll write package main and I'll write main function func main. Now let's import a format package. I'll write import fmt. Now we have to import that greet package. For that, what we have to write? We just simply need to copy this repo address. Because in this repo only we have our greet package, right? I'll copy this address. I'll take you back to my VS Code. I'll paste here. There is no need of HTTPS. GoTools can automatically find this address. I'll write go mod init myapp because we need a module to install this package, right? As you can see from the left side, go.mod file was created. That means myapp module was created. So how to install this package? I'll write go mod tidy. Nothing happened. I think I need to save this file. At this point, if I save this file, VS Code will automatically remove these packages. So let's use these packages. I'll write fmt.println. Let's call that greet function in this greet package. Now let's save this file. When I run this go mod tidy, now without any complaining, this package has to be installed. Yes, GoTools found our package in that module successfully. Now I'll open this go.mod file. Yes, there is a new line added in this go.mod file. Now I'll try to execute this Go program by go run main.go. Yes, we can see the output, welcome to Cloud Newbie. Let's use that other function as well. I'll write fmt println. I'll write greet dot. Look, VS Code was suggesting that two functions present in this greet package. I'll select that world function. I'll save this file. Now I'll try to execute this program by running go run main.go. When I hit enter, yes, I got two outputs, welcome to Cloud Newbie and hello world. So what we have learned in this video, we learned how to make our local module public and imported our greet package from that module and used that package in our Go program. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know if I explain anything incorrect. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more such kind of videos.